In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to create a meeting list right from your inbox and speed up setup using helpful suggestions, so your workflow is organized from the start. First, open ClickUp and head to your inbox. This is your central hub for updates across your workspace, so it's a great place to kick off new work that needs immediate attention. Make sure you're on the primary view of your inbox so you're seeing the main stream of items. If your sidebar is customized, you can also pin Inbox for quicker access later. Next, look for the option to create a list. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a button labeled List, a plus icon with a list option, or a quick create field that lets you choose what you're making. The key here is to confirm that you're creating a list, not a task or a doc. Lists in ClickUp are containers for tasks and are perfect for grouping all items tied to a specific project or theme, like recurring meetings. When the name field appears, type Meeting. Using clear, consistent naming makes it easier to search and report on work later. Many teams prefer simple, concise titles in all caps for visibility, but you can always rename it in the future. If you use multiple meeting types, consider appending a short descriptor later, such as Meeting, Weekly, or Meeting. Client, to keep things tidy. Now click Create to confirm. ClickUp will generate the new list in the current location. If you're prompted about where to place it, choose the most relevant space or folder for your meetings so related tasks live together. After creation, you'll be taken to the list view where you can start adding tasks. But before you dive in, there's a helpful accelerator you can use. Select Apply Suggestions. ClickUp may offer smart defaults tailored for lists like this, such as recommended statuses, columns, or basic structure that fits common meeting workflows. Applying suggestions can save setup time and help standardize how your team manages agendas, action items, and follow-ups. If you change your mind, remember that you can adjust statuses, fields, and views at any time. So this step is safe to try and easy to refine. That's it. You navigated to Inbox, created a list named Meeting, and applied suggestions to jumpstart configuration. From here, you can begin adding agenda items as tasks, assign owners, and set due dates to ensure every meeting results in clear, trackable action. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along while you build your own meeting list.